Here in the shop today, we're talking about metal roofing. Let me show you what's going on behind me. This is Columbia. He's making some metal drip edge we got 5 metal jobs going on today. This is how we make the accessories, all the little detail pieces. So he's making that now. I'll walk you outside and show you our machines that are heading to the job. So we've got 5 different jobs going on. We're gonna cut the panels for 2 of them this morning, and then this afternoon we'll cut the rest. Guys are fixing to head out. Here's our standing seam machine. And then over here, we've got a larger machine that's making some panels for a commercial job that we're doing. But the most important part of the process is the people that install it, especially when it comes to metal. Got our installers, we've got Omar right here. They're fixing to head out with this machine to cut. There's a lot of metal on there they're gonna cut. Same thing right here. We've got another machine that we're gonna cut for a standing seam roof, and you can see that color right here, which is a really, really nice finish on it. It's gonna run through this machine. You can see the profile of that panel. So this actually sits on top of here, and it's a double bend hem when they're done. We got to send a seamer up through there. And then I'll show you this one here, which is a standing seam. So it's going to clip over these edges, and you can see it's got the rollers in here, but this is what the design looks like when it's done. So a full service metal department here with our own machines, but most of all, expert installers is what makes the difference when it comes to metal roofing.